Looks like you guys all managed to keep busy while I was gone.
Totally. But it was so good to have you back, dude. Yeah, we really missed you.
From the moment I saw you, I could see that your experiences in South America had changed you. Forced to rely only on yourself, you had grown a great deal.
I remember I was so excited about telling you what had happened that we were having trouble meditating together.
Truth be told, I was also eager to hear about your adventures. The medallion grants the peaceful mind power over certain barriers. Approach the barrier and dodge. You will move through it. I was very proud of you for finding the medallion, Leonardo.
Thank you, Master. But that wasn't the end of the story. Well, the temple started to self-destruct, of course. And the usual ancient temple booby traps.
I know. Tell me again what happened next. You did well, Leonardo.
I've been well trained, Master. Come on, give me a break! They dressed like soldiers, but they acted like criminals.
Aye! What manner of creature is this?
Whatever it is, he fights like a demon.
Yeah! The medallion had mystical power. I could use it to move through certain solid objects. I kept going down, deeper and deeper. When I landed in the middle of them, I had no choice but to fight. Yeah!
It sounds as though they were afraid to fight you.
I gave them lots of good reasons for that. It was a battle against nature every step of the way. There were soldiers in the forest robbing the poor villagers. But those falls were so beautiful, they were worth all of it. Sensor mines! Better stay away from those. You guys must be the ones responsible for the mines. Yeah! You know, if you didn't rely on bombs, you'd probably improve your fighting skills. Wow, these guys have been busy. Everything was so beautiful there.
Yes, I remember.
You remember?
My son, who do you think hid that medallion in the first place?
Yeah! Once again, I had a choice between choosing to fight or to avoid my enemies.
What is that?
This village is under my protection always. Yeah! Yeah! Oh no, there's got to be a way over that.
Whoa!
Don't let them hurt us! Somebody help!
Please! Yeah!
They keep coming!
Don't worry! No matter what happens, I will protect you! Yeah! Yeah! They deserved it. And then it was over. And I heard people in the church giving me a name.
It is the ghost of the jungle!
Viva the ghost of the jungle!
Viva the ghost of the jungle! Viva the ghost of the jungle!